Dude, you realize you've complained about every single thing that you've seen this morning? It's because you're driving a pickup truck. You complained about the other drivers, you complained about the pedestrians, you complained about the dog.
Everybody else is stripping. That's what you have to do. Of course, a lot of cyclists, I try to hit them.
Yeah.
Or brush them.
Peter, do you feel like a different person because you're now driving a pickup truck?
I do. No, you can't put this in the vlog.
Why not?
Because people will take it out. People will be so offended.
I'm not offended.
I've turned into a redneck. Well, Jamil, many people do not know that Jamil is a co-founder of Vermont Overland. Jamil was the original financier of Vermont Overland back in the day. And he was an indispensable, still is, indispensable. He was actually our original marketing guy because he's a dentist by day, but he's a brilliant web designer. Many people don't know that about Fries with Jamil.
If you guys haven't caught on already, we are currently headed north up to Muddy Onion, which is an awesome New England classic gravel grinder in the center of Montpelier, which turns into a Montpelier block party after the ride. How many people registered, Pete? 400?
At least. I think I saw almost, in all the categories, I think I saw 500. Really good turnout.
Yeah, so
especially for this time of year.
This time of year, 500 people riding in the mud. It's gonna be pretty sweet.
Diplomatic community.
Why do we have diplomatic community?
We're parking in here. Dude, just move it.
Well, how do I get out of this? Really?
Yes. We have diplomatic immunity.
It's pretty cold.
See you guys out there.
It's pretty cold out there, Peter.
I know. It's amazing how it dropped 10 degrees instantly.
From the highway to here.
Hey, buddy. Because we use real chai raspberry coffee. Oh,
I was getting so wet.
Oh man, as you can see, it's raining. Finished up a gnarly Muddy Onion. Wet, cold, very muddy, peanut butter roads. And we are stopping on the way home at Good Measure Brewing. It's a cool brewery, so check that out.
It was an awesome ride. It's always an awesome ride. We've been doing it for, I think this is our 5th year of Muddy Onion. And it's just, what's so cool about it is that it starts and finishes in a downtown location, which is just unheard of these days. So it was amazing. So we're in the state capital, we're in Montpelier, and luckily the rain held off until after the start, which is always easier than starting in the rain. So we basically, did the course. But I'll tell you, here's the thing, Ansel. We had 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 instances of sign sabotage today. Somebody actually took the time. Usually the signs are just missing. Today, 3 times the signs were actually taken, turned around, and pointed in a different direction to really make it convincing. And the entire first, 50 riders went off course substantially, probably by 5 miles. And this is yet another thing, guys. no signs. Let's all do self-nav and let's all be there. And luckily, you know, enough people have nav that we can correct it. Like I'm yelling at everybody in my group saying right turn, right turn, right turn, and we pretty much fixed it. You were with Ted King, and Ted's got a really good computer, so he was able to lead you. So it works out okay. But there are some people out there who probably are still out there even now because of the sign sabotage. But other than that, it's always an awesome. The food is amazing. You know, they have great beer sponsors. It's just filled with soul. This is always going to be a Vermont Overland must-do gravel grinder. What's in there?
Cell phones.
There's one right there. Good pit bulls. We used to do this 4x4 trip called the Vermont Overland Beer Safari. We literally came to this brewery on the day they got their first liquor license. He was operating out of this building right here. It was basically a garden shed. He started. Now he's got the whole brewery building in the back, and it's just one of Vermont's best little breweries, best nano breweries of the area. It's phenomenal.
What town are we in?
We are in Braintree, which is right, literally the Braintree 357, Zach Freeman, shout out, is up the hill. Like the Braintree 357 is like right over there. And we actually come down this hill and back up again. This is one of the Strava segments.
Yeah, sunflower, relatively new.
Yep. Nathan Ted, Peter Ball.
Oh, no doubt.
I was right in our block.
What's happening? Yeah. Happy Easter. What's happening, buddy? Good to see you.
I want to get some of that sneaker out.